is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down.
Super click. You said Jamaica was good, yeah?
Always good, no worse.
Yeah.
Present and past tense.
So
Always good.
how is the life in the UK?
Well, it's so, a poco, old people would say. You see me? So, and poco, you see me, I deal with.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have good times and you have bad times, just like everyone, you see me? You have good times, you have bad times, but you can't catch your yard vibes. You don't know, say you're youthful.
You don't enjoy being in the UK then?
Well, me that said sometimes, man, but you know, Jamaica, we enjoy Jamaica every time. You see me?
So what you prefer about England then, since?
The work and, you know, the English, the government provide place to them people, like housing. You know, like the housing, you can get a house from the council, nice house, and you live in that till you die for your pay your rent. And sometimes the government pay your rent if you're not working. You see me, pay your bills and stuff like that. So only that the difference them have over we in Jamaica. But in Jamaica now, they teach you for self-reliance. You see me, I say? So that's why I rather Jamaica life. You build your own thing, you have your own thing. You see me, I deal with. You see me, I deal with. So you don't know. But in Jamaica, you can plant your own food. And I'm going to tell you a thing, brother. Show you the difference with England and Jamaica. In your house and you have a machine. A singer machine, if you're a tailor or a dressmaker or whatever you do, the government now come tax you for whatever you do in your house. You see me? You work your own money, you plant your own food, you can look after yourself them way. Because my mother she's a farmer and she's a shopkeeper, and my father's a farmer same way.
Yeah.
And I run his own business because my father used to sell snow cone, ice cream, make him own ice cream and them something there, you see me? And a thing named Frisco and sell. Yeah. So you can do your own thing, you know, the government come down upon you and tax you. So I rather Jamaica life, you see me? The Jamaica life more I say, I'm more Father God say for live. You see me I say?
Yeah.
You know, work for the government like that at Jamaica. People still work for the government at Jamaica because you have to live by the law of your country. But you can work for yourself, and look after yourself. And in Jamaica, if you don't have no sugar, you can go over the yard and get some sugar and salt from the next door neighbor. You can't do it over here. You see me I say? I don't know of that over here. Might be people do it still, but I don't really know of it over here.
Yeah.
So Jamaica vibes are different vibes. You see me? A man cook some food and him all knock your door and say, yo, I cook some food, you know. You don't want two dumpling or you don't want some of the rice or you don't want some of the ackee or you don't want these people caring and sharing down the yard. You see me I deal with? Yeah, man, a nice place, man. I can't beat down my place, man. Because I know how I live down there, you know, brother. People them love me down there, you know. I love the people them down there same way, you know.
Yeah.
And most of y'all come from work, you stop all the stall and you all the vibes. You see me? On Friday evening and before you go in, you all a chill spot. You see me? And more time if you not work, you will up on the road and a chat all till all the morning.
Yeah.
And when the sun come up, you say a day like, you see me? Yeah. I live good I have, brother, man. I just know the youth them are going with the bus head down there. I not too like that, because some things I see on YouTube, I love them things, brother. You see me?
Yeah.
Them up of violence and them a kill off all the little girl, them, and youth them a kill themselves, brother. Because when you kill a man at Jamaica, you kill a woman at Jamaica, yourself you kill. I just that me not like where I go on here differently right now. Man, if you have guns still, you know, but for the right reason.
Yeah.
See if you tell in revolution. For the right, you see me? I remember, you know, brother. We had the rebellious slave them, you know. One time England come down there, you know, before me even born, you know.
Yeah.
Them history there, you know, you see me? You come, I try to slave our people them. You see me? Our ancestors them, and them nah take that shit.
Sure.
And them fight them and win them. So them for save the gun for the right time. You see me? For defend tariff. Now if you kill off on yourself. If you don't get gun now, it's better for honor down there, so you just lock the gun them and bury them till when the right time comes. Stop kill your brother and sister. You see me? And means that you to say one love for every nation.
Yeah.
And some is a youth check. You see me?
Sure.
But when we kill off ourselves, my youth, that's not good, man. We are shorting all of our lifespan. You see me?
Yeah.
That can't good, man. Me I tell you. You see it? Jamaica a fun place, man. Nah lie.
How the hell are going for?
No, more time there and
everybody walk out on the road, brother.
But enough of thing that, brother.
No, so what going?
No, our thing that we there, so we do our thing, you see me? You hear what go on, you don't need for that. You see me? And so when son at England then go on, you know, because then you see son, you know. Anytime son at so